Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can send out an order confirmation email once someone has placed an order on your Wix.com store. So start by going to your Wix dashboard like this and then go to settings on the left hand side panel down here. Click. From here go to checkout here and scroll all the way to the bottom. Now you can see order emails down here, so click on the edit emails button right here. And now you have the first section right here, which you can untick. And if it looks like this, just make sure to tick the little box and then people will start receiving order confirmations from you. Additionally, you can also go in and edit or preview the text or the order confirmation. So click on the preview button to see what it looks like. All the information is automatically going to be filled out. You don't need to change anything here, or you can click away from it and edit if you want to customize it a little bit. Unfortunately, you can't actually customize the email look itself, but you can change the text, and that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions and I'll try my best to help. Thanks for watching.